Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start Quilled program in Electrolux TimeCare 500. To do this, first we'll need to turn our knob into the Quilled. Then you'll be able to change the temperature between different options. You can see them change right there. There's the rotation speed that we can adjust between 800 and 400. Time is sadly not available. That means you can only set it to 1 hour 40 minutes. Then there's those four buttons. We have the pre-wash, not available, delayed time that you can set, and the program should finish exactly in the time that is visible right here on the screen. Then there's easier ironing, not available, and extra rinse, which is also not available. When you're ready with all of the settings, click on the start or pause, and this should begin the program unless you have delayed time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.